finished work, so we've got a pie for tea and a can in my hand. And my little mate there. Right, Sunday tomorrow, soap allotments. So I'm going to take that sweet corn up because that can wait polytunnel now. Oh, we've got some strawberries on. Yeah. Little berries there. Doing alright anyway, I've just watered them. Got some spare pumpkins there, but they're not going up allotment. I don't know where they're going. I'll go see if Josh wants a couple for kids. He can go home in his back garden because he's just moved in house, so he's got a big back garden there. He's not done it yet, so he can plant 2 pumpkins in for kids. Yeah, so I'll take that sweet corn up. I'll take them peppers up because they're growing up now. Got some more yard-long beans there. They look a bit healthier, don't they? I've got some more loofahs at the back there. They look healthier. And some cucumbers here coming through, you can see. They're not going up yet. That's some more celery. I'll take some of that up because I can plant that in where it's going in the bed. Oh, crack. Yeah, everything's blooming out here now. Starting. Succulents looking okay, aren't they? Hardly water them. All bursting into life. That was earlier. Just starting budding now. Red one. Late pink one. Yeah, want some more food, I've just fed him. Yeah, so it's allotment tomorrow, and calm down. Plant his little veg hopefully. That's what veg in it should be grown now ready. I don't think it's going to be a bit, well if it's going to be cold I can fleece it anyway. It's under net anyway, they're all under net. Well out protected ish. Well, that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. So that'll be right. We'll have that can sitting down there. See you tomorrow. Boom. We're back. Wage slave on a Monday, free man on a Sunday. Had a drink? Good lad. Henry's about somewhere. What a lovely day. Look at these carrots. 4 days away. I brought all that up, brought some sweet corn, that sweet corn, all peppers, and something else. Oh, there's celery. And there's some cucumbers coming out. A couple of spare tomatoes. I brought that up too because I've got to repot it and leave it up here. Because it's not doing so good at home. These tomatoes are doing okay. There's one over here I've just seen. It's got a bit of that on leaf, so I'm going to give them a bit of Epsom salts. We've got here, I've got some I've just been up shop too. So I'll give them a shot of that. Just here he is. Come on in, Black. What? Yeah, finally standing up. Because I didn't earn them off. Them's only collars, but we've got some spur in there. Yeah. Peas are doing alright. And beans. I thought this was barnweed before. I forgot to put beans there. I was going to pull it out. Yeah. I've just pulled one of these out because it went to seed because it's a bit warm in here. But tomatoes are doing okay. I'm going to have to cracked in on that. We'll have to tie that grapevine up because I want it growing up corner now. I'm taking some of them suckers out again. You see them? There we take them out. So we don't knock growth down here. And all that spurting upwards. Rub them off. That's it. Couple more down there. That'll just take energy off the upward growth. We want upward growth. We don't want any grapes this year. Smells like grapes, that too. And I'll tie it up properly in a minute. Well, I'm ducking down. What I called. Let it all week. And beetroot standing up finally. Jacob's ladder's coming out. That one's got a flower and I can't remember the name of it. It's this shrub here, it gets full of red and yellow flowers. Can't for the life of me remember the name of it. Spuds are looking okay. Let's go and get a brew and see what we're going to do. What, mate?
So we can get some of this stuff in this week.
Yeah, I'll get it in tomorrow. Ah. I'll take it out a bit in a bit. And, yeah. Well, lettuce, yeah. Yeah. I'll stick them outside, line them off for a bit, and do the same again tomorrow. We'll get them in on Tuesday. I don't know, it's got a little cold in it, but them herbs have all come out now, everyone. So let them grow up a bit and they're going in here. In that bed there, weed it because them chives at the back. I won't cut some of them chives off. You want tinging down anyway, I can see flowers low down. I won't weed that in a bit, that's my job. Brie. Need some salt for these weeds. I've got a bag tomorrow. Shop wasn't open this morning. I've just brought these leafers in here. Slow growing in the pots in here. It's nice and toasty in here for them. And them cucumbers because they're popping out, can you see? We'll plant that money maker in a minute. And then I'll walk in my drink. I'm going to get some, where is it? Hang on. Hang on. There, I found it. So what I've done is that calcified seaweed and eggshells. Did a blitz with that blitzer. Just put a bit right base of the plant. And not leaf, obviously. And I'll give them a water in there, water that down. So that should give them the first feed, that. And then we'll start doing them. We'll say, oh, I've got some seaweed in car, go and get it. There it is. Seaweed. It cost me 15 quid that, but there's 5 litres, so that'll last us all season for them tomatoes. You just put a cap in, same as tomato food, once or twice a week. Plus you can use that as a good foliage spray now and again, keep the pest down and give them a bit of boost on the leaves. So take all that tobacco's coming on now. Take that some tobacco out of there and put them peppers in. So I'm grow up a bit in there now. Just left that open a bit. Just put a piece of wood in. And then peppers will be going in here. I need sorting, but it's not. They're not ready yet, so we've got a bit damp. We need probably a couple of bags of compost. And we'll throw some feed in. And they should grow away merrily in there. So what do you then? Go and get a brew. these hardening off a bit. We'll up and get these out this week. And that bed there, we'll fill in there the collars what we've lost to wood lice or something. Sweet peas are coming on, aren't they? Put them pots there, stop them blowing through. Yeah, right. You got to shop and get some salt. What time is it? It's 9:15. Right. I'll do for today. Get some plants in tomorrow then.